Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a slick, fully interactive toggle switch button right inside Figma. Whether you're designing a new app, building a website prototype, or just want to add those little touches that make your UI feel alive, a toggle switch goes a long way. And by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to build one yourself and make it interactive, ready for any project. Let's jump right in. I've already created a simple shape for our switch on the canvas. If you haven't got that yet, just draw a rounded rectangle for the background and a little circle for the toggle handle. Don't stress too much about the size or exact dimensions. What matters most is that the circle fits nicely inside the rounded rectangle, with a bit of space on either side so it can slide back and forth. Now let's make this switch reusable by creating a component. With both shapes selected, right-click and choose Create Component, or use the shortcut command +Option+K if you're on a Mac, or Control+Alt+K on Windows. Turning your toggle into a component means you can easily use it across your design and update it everywhere with just one change, super helpful as your projects grow. From here, it's time to make variants. Think of variants like different moods or states for your component, like how the same light switch can be on or off. So in the right panel, click Add Variant. You'll see a duplicate of your toggle appear side by side. This is like having both the off and the on positions ready to work with. On the first variant, leave everything as is. This will be your off state. On the second variant, grab the little circle and drag it over to the opposite side of the rounded rectangle so it looks like it's switched on. Make sure it's aligned and sitting comfortably with a bit of padding on the side. You want this to look natural, like a real switch snapping into the on position. Now let's give the second switch its own unique energy by coloring the background green. Select just the rectangle in your on variant and pick a nice, lively green shade from the color picker. This makes it instantly clear to anyone looking at your design. Green means go or on. To make this component easy to use and understand, let's update the property name. In the Variants panel, change the property label to Switch. This just makes it super clear what you're controlling whenever you use or hand off this component. Then name the first variant off and the second one on. It sounds simple, but getting these names right helps everyone know what's happening without guessing. Next, let's make this switch come alive. Switch from the Design tab to the Prototype tab in the upper right. Click on the circle in your first variant, then drag the little interaction node, that tiny blue dot, over to the second variant. Set the interaction to on, click, choose the action change to, and select on for the switch. For animation, pick instant. This makes the switch snap right over as soon as you click so it feels responsive, almost there. To test our new toggle, we'll need to set up a quick frame. Hit the F key and draw out any frame size you like, just big enough to host our switch. Now hop over to the Assets panel, locate your new toggle switch component, and drag it into the frame you just made. Moment of truth, click the preview button, that little play icon in the top right. Now go ahead and click your switch. You should see it toggle from off to on instantly. Don't worry if you need to tweak the position or color a bit, just hop back to your component and adjust, and it'll update everywhere. And that's it. You've just made a fully interactive toggle switch button that you can reuse in any Figma project. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button below, and if you have any questions or want to see more Figma tips, drop a comment. I love hearing from you. Remember to subscribe for more easy, practical tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy designing.